This is going over the couch stretch. This is a great stretch to open up your hips, hip flexors. Something very important to keep in mind if you're suffering with pelvis, low back, hip, extremity issues. So as you can see, so set up, you can use a couch, a chair. In this case, I'm using a bench to post my rear foot on. Underneath my left knee is just a support pad so that it's not compressing onto hard ground. And then we want to bring front leg into a lunge type position. So this is going to be really opening up through that left quad hip. You want to try and keep the torso upright here. Okay, we're going to switch sides. So first side is about 30 seconds as goal. So we're going with right knee down, right foot elevated to bench. You can even put that right leg against a wall, again, couch, bed, something similar there, right? So bringing left leg this time into that 90-degree position and keeping torso elevated. Again, through these stretches, it's important to continue to breathe in through nose, out through nose. On your breath in, you want to allow the belly, the abdomen to expand. If you notice, my hands are on my sides, reinforcing that proper breathing pattern. So this time we're going to go back to left knee down, left foot elevated, right? So the goal of this stretch is to bring not only that rear foot position that we just talked about, but bringing the front foot position to an elevated position as shown here, right? So we want to bring that, so I'm just repositioning. I want to bring that front leg, that front foot into a more elevated position. And again, with upright torso. And as you can see, my hands are on my sides, reinforcing proper abdominal breathing patterns. So this position mimics full hip flexion on the right in this case, and full hip extension on the left. And we want to try and keep this, especially as we go over the course of time. Helps keep the hips open, helps keep you mobile to a wonderful degree. So we'll mimic on the other side. Again, right foot elevated, right knee down, moving to left foot elevated in this case. Now, if this is the first time doing this, or for several times doing this, I don't encourage the elevation of the foot onto the block. Work with it just on the ground. Work on getting that rear foot into position first, and then over the matter of weeks to months, work on elevating the front leg. That's a more advanced position. I do highly encourage the use of a pet as shown in this video for moral support. Be sure to scratch pet accordingly. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Keep this one in your routine frequently.